Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Escape Active. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Active Comfort package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual exhaust, backup camera, roof spoiler, got some nice silver and black trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection. We do get a remote start with this vehicle, which is perfect for the cold winter months, with that lovely Ford grille. We do get this lovely powered liftgate, which you can open right there on the key fob or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. 12 volt, you got a hook and doodad to hold your gear down. You do get your normal storage underneath with a spare tire. And you can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, which is always handy. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the back now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, adjustable rear seats, which is pretty handy. You can adjust that one as well. Floor mats, carpeted interior, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat, manual passenger seat, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 58,443 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we got that lovely digital speedometer. Makes your life so much easier. We do get My View, Trip and Feel, Status Info, Vehicle Maintenance, Audio, Phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, drive modes, auto stop, auto start, cup holders, storage here with some outlets. Got your center console here as well with tons of storage. Dual climate up front with heated front seats and heated steering wheel. Hazards and your media controls. Storage below. Nice big infotainment system with your audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone controls. Pretty nice. You can see he's been previously connected. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with the app CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. Shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera, which is always a nice addition. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8267, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.